Lionel Messi's journey from a young boy in Rosario, Argentina, to becoming one of the greatest footballers of all time is a saga of perseverance, dedication, and relentless pursuit of goals. His approach to success provides invaluable lessons for anyone striving to excel in their own field. Here are some motivational insights inspired by Messi's career and ethos. Believe in yourself. Something deep in my character allows me to take the hits and get on with trying to win, despite facing numerous challenges, including health issues early in his career. Messi never doubted his ability to reach the top. His self-belief was unwavering, fueled by a deep-seated passion for football. For anyone chasing success, believing in one's own potential is the first step towards achieving great things. Self-belief not only propels you forward during tough times, but also inspires others around you. Commit to hard work. Talent and elegance mean nothing without rigor and precision. Messi's talent is undeniable, but it's his extraordinary work ethic that sets him apart. He spends countless hours practicing, refining his skills, and understanding the nuances of the game. Success, as Messi exemplifies, isn't handed out. It's earned through hard work, discipline, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Embrace the grind and let your efforts compound over time. Overcome challenges. The best decisions aren't made with your mind, but with your instinct. Throughout his career, Messi faced obstacles that seemed insurmountable, from critics questioning his ability to perform in crucial games to physical injuries. However, he always responded on the field, letting his instincts and resilience speak for him. This teaches us that overcoming challenges often requires more than just rational planning. It requires heart, instinct, and the courage to push through adversity. Maintain humility. I am more worried about being a good person than being the best football player in the world. Despite his fame and accolades, Messi remains remarkably humble. He knows that being a genuinely good person and a supportive teammate is as important as personal achievements. His humility has won him the respect of peers and fans alike, proving that true success encompasses both personal excellence and integrity. Focus on continuous improvement. There are more important things in life than winning or losing a game. Messi's perspective on life and sport goes beyond the scoreboard. He emphasizes growth, learning, and enjoying the journey. By focusing on improving a little bit every day, both in skills and character, you create a fulfilling path to success that isn't solely defined by outcomes, but by personal development and satisfaction. Inspire and be inspired. I try to never forget about the joy it brings me and the love I have for this sport. Messi's passion for football is infectious, and it motivates those around him. Similarly, finding joy in what you do and sharing that passion can inspire others to pursue their own dreams. Success is more rewarding when it helps elevate others. Adapt and innovate. I always think about what I must do to improve. Messi's game has evolved significantly over the years. He continually adapts his style to stay ahead of competitors, always looking for new ways to challenge himself and redefine his limits. In any endeavor, adaptability and innovation are key to staying relevant and achieving sustained success. Through his example, Lionel Messi teaches us that success is multifaceted. It's not just about winning. It's about how you play the game, how you improve, how you handle setbacks, and how you impact those around you. His journey offers a blueprint for anyone looking to excel. Work hard, stay humble, embrace challenges, and always strive for improvement.